Alright guys, let's jump right in and we'll talk about the single reason that most of us buy an open class trail bike in the first place, and that is the engine. The SWM RS500R, according to my searches on the internet, produces 55 horsepower and 43 newton meters of torque. It is fuel injected and it does deliver very smooth and consistent power at pretty much any speed. My experience with the bike is I've found that it's got pretty nice mellow power at lower revs, and it's a pretty easy bike to ride at low speed until about mid-range. So if you were looking to sort of buy a bike and you were tossing up between, say, a 300, a 350 and a 500, well, that's pretty much the dilemma I had. I couldn't get a 350 or the 300. I'm not exactly sure which one it was at the time, but I couldn't get one when I ordered this bike, and this one was available with about a 2-week wait. And I thought, yeah, why not? 500cc bikes only go as fast as you twist the throttle in theory, so I thought I'll give it a go. And it's turned out to be a pretty good thing because it is a fairly easy bike to ride. It has got a ton of power, as I've just mentioned earlier, with 55 horsepower. It's definitely no slouch. It will keep up with just about anything in its category for sure, but you really have to screw it on to get that power. It's sort of more in the top end of the rev range rather than sort of down low, so it's a fairly easy bike to ride slow if you want to. So it's a pretty versatile engine in that respect. Cruises really nicely out in the open road at pretty much any speed. It certainly sits on the road quite respectably at 100 kilometres per hour or 60 mile per hour if you're in America or other countries that still use that system. I've ridden this bike quite a bit on the open road and found it's quite smooth. So yeah, it's a very versatile engine, probably a lot more versatile than some of the other brands out there that I've ridden, that's for sure. Yeah, definitely a plus there for the SWM.